5 apps na pwedeng mag-save ng LDR nyo. Yes, if you are in an LDR in 2025, you're in luck. May madaming apps ngayon that make long distance more easier, more fun, even kilig kahit na magkalayo kayo. Ito yung top 5 na apps na pwedeng mag-save ng LDR nyo. 1. Between. Ang apps na to is best for couple private space. Personal chat app designed just for couples. Meron siyang calendar for anniversaries, photo albums, love letters, at chat history na kayo lang talagang dalawa ang makakakita. My LDRs love it. Kasi nga, feels like your own digital world together. 2. Ang apps na to is best for deepening emotional connection, daily relationship questions, fun quizzes, and advice from therapist. Perfect na perfect para mag-grow kayo emotionally. Perfect na perfect para mag-grow kayo emotionally kahit malayo. Bakit gusto ito ng mga LDR couple? Kasi nga, para sa kanila, they got to know each other better. Yan, usual na kumustahan. Rave or teleparty. So, itong apps na to is best siya to watch movies together in real time. Like picking a movie, synchronized watching with chat, Netflix and chill, long distance edition, sabay kayong manunood ng movies or YouTube with real-time chat. Parang date night siya, pero virtual. 4. Locked widget or live-in. Ang apps naman na to is meron siyang live photo widget sa phone mo. Every time you take a selfie, lalabas yung phone screen ng partner mo. Imagine getting a surprise smile from him habang nagwo-work ka. Real-time love at home screen kilig. 5. Couple game or love nudge. And in love language activities. Ito yung parang bonding plus learning app. Play quizzes, test how will you know each other, at explore love languages. LDR doesn't have to be boring or painful. With the right tools, kayang-kaya nyong gawing meaningful ang bawat araw nyo kahit na magkalayo kayo. So which app will you try first? Or may secret LDR app ka ba na hindi ko nabanggit? Comment below. Don't forget to follow for more LDR tips.